A cinematic slow-motion shot of an archer releasing an arrow. The camera zooms in tight on the arrow as it strikes the bow's riser and starts to wobble like a noodle. Look closely. This arrow isn't just flying, it's dancing. In the world of physics, we call this the archer's paradox. If you aim straight at the bullseye, logic says the arrow should smash into the bow and fly off to the left. But instead, it bends, snakes around the wood, and finds its mark.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Today, we're diving into the secret life of the bending arrow. It all starts with a massive dump of energy. When you release the string, the force doesn't just push the arrow forward. It compresses it. According to the Journal of Sports Sciences, because the string is slightly off-center from the bow's riser, the arrow undergoes what engineers call column buckling. It's essentially a high-speed collision between the string and the back of the arrow. If the arrow were perfectly stiff, it would fail. But arrows have spine, a measure of flexibility. As noted in B.W. Kliem's The Physics of Archery, the arrow vibrates at a specific frequency. These vibrations create nodes 2 points on the shaft that stay relatively still while the rest of the arrow whips back and forth. This allows the arrow to literally curve its body around the bow handle without ever touching it. Not all bends are created equal. Wood arrows flex slowly, while modern carbon fiber snaps back with aggressive speed. This is dynamic spine in action. If an arrow is too stiff, it hits the bow. Too weak? It wobbles like a wet noodle and misses. Archers have to match the arrow's flex to the power of their bow, creating a perfect harmonic marriage between man, machine, and physics. Once the arrow clears the bow, the air resistance and the fletching, those little feathers at the back, act like stabilizers. The oscillation gradually dies down. This is the law of conservation of energy. That initial violent wiggle eventually smooths out into a precise, lethal trajectory. Science proves that sometimes to go straight, you have to be willing to bend. It's a paradox that has helped humans hunt for thousands of years. But here's a thought. If you could make an arrow out of any material to perfectly solve this, what would you choose? Let us know below.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.